Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the look I am wearing right now. This is using the Colourpop Mint to Be palette. This is what it looks like. So gorgeous, beautiful pastel-y mints and greens. I absolutely love Colourpop. I love their formula. I love the blendability of their shadows. It's one of my favorite brands as of this moment, and unfortunately they come out with new things every few weeks, and I ordered the Mulan palette when it came out, but then COVID-19 happened and they shut down the warehouse and production and all that, and it hasn't been shipped yet, and I'm super sad. But anyway, to tie us all over, you can keep watching to find out how to get this look. Alright guys, so we're going to dive into this, and I'm going to put my headband on, and then I'm going to prime my eyes using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, just like the last million videos I have done. Okay, I think I've only done 4, but whatever. And I'm going to use my Colourpop Mint to Be palette, and the first shade I'm going to use is that Demint shade, and there might have been a little bit of darker pigment on my brush at the time, but I think I was okay in the end. And the next shade I'm going to use is the Ice Cold shade, and I'm just using a fluffy crease brush. This one's by Royal & Langnickel. They're some of my favorite brushes. Super soft and make everything easy to blend. Now I'm going to take that Mint Tea shade using my Sonia Kashuk, I don't remember the name of it, but it's like a flat shader brush. And I'm going to use that all over my lid, and then I just wanted to go with a little bit more pigment, so I picked it up using my finger. And then I'm going to take the shade Play It Cool, and using, I think it's a small smudge brush by e.l.f., I'm just going to put that on like the inner tiniest bit of my eye. And then going in with the shade Chill Factor on a fluffy brush, putting that in my outer V just to kind of darken the look up a tiny bit. It's not a super dark shade, it just gave it a little bit of a something. And then taking the Mint Tea shade just to kind of put a little bit more on my lid. Now I'm going to clean up my under eyes using my Garnier Micellar water, and then just kind of clean up my face, make sure there's nothing icky on it. And as always, sanitizing my hands before using my moisturizer, which is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Putting that all over my face, making sure I go down my neck some. And I'm going to use my Carmex lip balm. This is almost done, and I'm kind of sad about it. Okay, not really, because I have a ton of lip balm. And I'm going to use my True Match Lumi by Loreal primer today. And today I'm using the Physicians Formula Silk Foundation Elixir in the shade Light, and this is an Up and Up complexion brush. So originally I tried this out on like one side of my face, and I really liked it. I loved the finish of it. But when I put it all over my face, I don't know if it's the primer I used or what, but it just, I don't know. It didn't look right. I mean, it looked okay once I set it, but... And I'm taking the Kokie Cosmetics in the shade Light. This is an illuminating concealer, and I'm using a concealer brush. I don't remember what this one's by. I think I got it in an Ipsy. And I'm just going all over my T-zone, and I had a couple pimples I covered. And now I'm going to use my Naked Cosmetics translucent powder to set my under eye and anywhere I put that concealer. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay Electric palette to use the shade Urban. And now I'm using my Colourpop gel liner in the shade Teaspoon, I believe it was. And I'm taking that shade, oh goodness, I want to say it was either Chill Factor or Demint. maybe it was Get Fresh on my under eye. Okay, it was Get Fresh first, and now I'm using Dement. And I'm just kind of blending those out. And I am going to use my Wet n Wild eyeliner, little pen thing, which is, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much enjoying this pen. It works really well, it gets a really nice, precise wing. Definitely something I look forward to using. I do like it more than the Physician Formula one that I have. This is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara that I'm using. I'm doing both my under eye and my under eye. Bleh. Sorry. I'm doing both my bottom lashes and my top lashes using this mascara. I am super sad because this mascara is almost gone. It's starting to get super hard to get full on mascara on my lashes using this wand. I think it's just drying out. The formula's changing, and I think it is almost time for me to say goodbye because it took me forever to do my mascara today. And now I'm taking the Covergirl translucent powder and setting my face. And I will say that once I set this foundation down, the finish on it was a lot better and looked a lot nicer. So this is my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette, and I'm just using that with a Wet n Wild contour brush. It's the medium cocoa shade. And I am using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze Bronzer and just kind of bronzing up my skin, warming it up a little bit on this dreary day outside. And that is the Tarte Spellbound Glow highlighter. It's so pretty. I wish my lighting was better so that you guys could see it. And I'm using the Too Faced Baby Got Peach. Papa Don't Peach. Papa Don't Peach is my blush. And I'm going back in with the Tarte Spellbound just to go highlight my brow bone and my inner corners a little bit, I think I did. And I'm using my e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray to set everything down. And this is the lip liner in the Buff from Estee Edit. And I'm just lining my lips with that. Nothing too crazy, not overdrawing. I think I sped up this video too much. But that's okay. Next time we know. Now I'm using the MAC Patrick Star Cream Pie Lip Gloss to go over it. And this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye!